What is up, guys? Happy Monday. Today is May 11th of 2020, and just a few minutes ago, I got an email from Robinhood saying that I've got fractional shares. Now, what is fractional shares, real quick? Or what is a fractional share, real quick? Let's say Boeing here costs 130. Let's say I have the 130, but don't want to buy a whole share. It gives you the option to put in how much money you want into that company, giving you a fraction of that share. So $50, for example, right now. I'm not gonna do that because I'm not gonna buy it yet. You see how it says 3 shares there? It's a whole number. The way fractional shares work is that you can pretty much buy a percentage of a company, and instead of having a whole share, you would have a point and then whatever number being the fraction, which I think is super great, super beneficial for this account, and may probably just help me with my money management skills when it comes to this account, because I've just been loading up a lot in these past few weeks. I also got DRIP, which is dividend reinvesting. So what that does is that for every dividend payout that I get, it's an option to either put back into that company or just hold in my portfolio as buying power. I turned it off for 3 of them for now, because with these companies I'm pretty comfortable at where they at. If I do put any money into it, it'll just be whole shares instead of fractional. And yeah, I'm probably gonna edit this a bit more, but I just wanted to talk to you guys about that. And that's pretty much it. Moving forward now. Now I feel like I have a lot more room to make buys that I want, and or have a more stronger portfolio, a little more diverse. So that'll be pretty much it for this video, guys. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, put it down in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.